Having high porosity hair has its advantage and disadvantage, and one of them is that your hair absorbs moisture easily, but also it loses that moisture fast. So this is my weekly moisture routine, how I keep my hair moistured, especially in my protective hairstyle. Let's get a bit of context. I've been keeping my protective hairstyle for 2 months, and this is my in-between routine before my actual wash day, especially if I notice my hair is drying out or my hair is dry. Do this routine to keep my hair moistured. So we are going to first off with starting off with water. So basically I'm just showing you how my hair is like in its dry state. Can you see how crusty and dry it is? Now we're not doing this. So first off, we're going to be pouring in water into our hair. We'll be using this spray bottle. I love the spray bottle. It spritzes so well, and I would definitely advise everyone to use it. So yeah, we're going first with water. You can do this, just get warm water, but in this video I'm using lukewarm water. But if you need your hair to get saturated fast, I suggest that you use warm water. Just make sure you apply this everywhere on your hair basically, and you can just help get that water in faster just by massaging it on your scalp. So when you're applying the water, always apply it to the lengths of your hair, your scalp, and also your ends. Your ends are very, very important because those are like the weakest part of your hair and they need tender love and care. So I would suggest you always apply water at the ends of your hair. So once you're done, you just massage in the water into your scalp so it gets to every part of your hair. So yeah, high porosity hair doesn't mean that your hair would always dry out so fast. So you can make sure you have a good routine so your hair is moistured for longer. It keeps your hair moistured for up to a week when you do this routine, and at most. But if you I notice my hair is drying out in between my wash day, before my wash day, I would make sure I apply water to my hair. So this is how my hair is looking after I've moisturized it. So yeah, can you see how soft and succulent my hair is looking? So next up, we're going with my deep conditioner from Maya Organic. This is really good. It helps strengthen your hair. It helps to bring back moisture in your hair after a long protective hairstyle. So I'll definitely recommend this. So basically I'm just applying it to the lengths of my hair. Don't apply it to your scalp, guys, just your length of your hair, and make sure it gets into every part of your hair, your length, the ends of your hair. You know, the ends of your hair are like the weakest part, so they need tender love and care. So yeah, always apply it to the ends of your hair. Very, very important. So once I'm done applying this on my hair, I would go in with my shower cap. Can you see how my colors are popping, guys, just by doing just water and deep conditioning? Guys, I definitely would recommend this. So yeah, I'm just massaging in the deep conditioner into my hair. So next off, we'll go in with my shower cap just to get in that moisture. We'll go in with some heat with my steam cap just to get in the moisture into my hair, like. And yeah, once we're done, we'll keep it for like 5 minutes, 10 minutes max, just to get in that goodness into our hair. You know, we added deep conditioner, which is the Maya Organics, to our hair, just so we're going to be adding heat to it to adding moisture to it. So yeah, I mentioned I have high porosity hair, so I need deep conditioner. So the deep conditioner basically is that added moisture you put in your hair, and I deep condition every time I do my wash day. So it basically keeps my hair moistured longer. Whatever my hair loves, I stick to it. So deep conditioner is working better for me and the type of my hair. So now I'm done deep conditioning my hair. So as you can see, the steam on my hair, it's amazing. Like, it has gotten into the roots of my hair. So this is how my hair is looking. Very soft, very succulent. Can you see, guys? The moisture is out of this world. So I'll definitely recommend deep conditioning every wash day or in between your protective hairstyle. It's very important. Can you see how my colors are popping? It's very, very important that every girl does this. So yeah, after that, I'm just going to go in with my leave-in conditioner, because the one I put in before was not a leave-in conditioner, and now I'm putting in my leave-in conditioner. I'm using the Cantu leave-in conditioner. This is a very thick cream conditioner. I don't apply on my scalp because it will cause build up on my scalp, because this is going to be a long-term protective hairstyle. Because build up, I'm trying to avoid that as much as possible. Also, I've also applied to the ends of my hair. It's super important to the ends of your hair because they are the weakest parts of your hair and they need tender love and care. So yeah. So now we're going to go in with my virgin hair fertilizer. This cream, it's holy grail, like it's very important, it's very nostalgic. If you're a Nigerian girlie, you must have seen this cream, everybody must have used it. It has this minty feel which is very good for your scalp. Like if you have dandruff, if you're struggling with hair growth, I would definitely recommend this cream. It helps to grow your hair faster. It has that minty feel which helps your scalp to be clean. And you know, healthy scalp is equals to healthy growth. So yeah, I'll definitely recommend this. It's not thick, it's just the right amount. It keeps my hair growing. Absolutely love it. So just I'm going to do a bit of scalp massaging just to stimulate blood flow on my hair. It has a lot of benefits. Doing scalp massaging, it helps in blood flow, hair growth. It's important as I'm trying to grow my hair. I like my scalp massages when I do my weekly routine. So next up, we're going to be going in with the Jamaican castor oil. You can get this from a nearby supermarket. This helps to grow your edges. If you're struggling with edges, your hair is not thick enough, you don't have dark hair, I would definitely recommend this. This is a very thick oil, so it seals in that moisture, guys. If you're looking to seal in that moisture, I would definitely recommend this. You know, we've done our deep conditioning, we've added water, so now we're sealing in that moisture. We're using the LOC method, which is liquid, oil, and cream. So yeah, we've gone in with our liquid, which is our water and our deep conditioner, and now we've gone in with our oils, and now we're going in with our oil with the Jamaican castor oil. As you can see, I'm applying it to the edges of my hair. This helps to grow my edges, and when you're applying it, make sure you massage it just so that it gets to the every part of your hair. And also don't forget the back of your hair, it needs tender love and care too, and also the sides of your hair. So yeah, once I'm done doing that, I'll just go in with some quick massage which helps to stimulate hair growth. So yeah, next up we're going to be going in with our shea butter. Like this is something that is really good. It's a very thick butter, and yeah, can you see I'm almost done with this? Like you can tell I use this very well. So yeah, this is another thick butter. So yeah, you just rub it on your palms and then you seal it. You put it to the ends of your hair. As you can notice, I'm not putting it to the scalp of my hair because I don't want to I don't have build up on my hair. So yeah, I'm applying it to the ends of my hair, as you can see. So it seals in that moisture. Once you're done doing this, water will not be dripping on your body. Like your body will be as dry as, you'll not be seeing any water on your body. So yeah, as you can see, I'm just applying it to the ends of my hair. I'm making sure I seal in that moisture. You apply it to the length of your hair. Don't apply it to your scalp because you don't want to be having build up in your hair. So once I'm done with that, I'm just going to be packing my hair because I don't like hair all over my body. You know, when your hair is just down, it's prone to have split ends. So yeah, this is how my hair is looking now after I've done my routine. Can you see the moisture? Like if you can see my before and after, you definitely see the difference. My curls are popping. It's giving healthy hair. So yeah, once I'm done with that, I will just be packing my hair and giving myself a good head massage. Can you see I'm almost sleeping, guys? This is very important, guys. Always do your scalp massages. So yeah, once I'm done, I'm just going to be packing my hair. So the reason why I do this is because I don't want my hair to be on my body. So like if your hair is on your body, you know it tends to rub off on your body, which causes split ends and tangles. So I don't want any of that. So yeah, that is why I'm packing my hair, just to keep my ends safe and protected. Can you see the curls on this hair, guys? This routine works very well, so I'll definitely recommend it. If you have fussy natural hair and you're struggling with retaining length, definitely do this routine, every protective hairstyle, and you will see the results. Like guys, if you see my hair before, I'll be doing a video of how my hair was before and how it is now. There's so much growth. Can you see the growth just by doing this routine? I do this every Tuesdays and Saturdays. Hope you enjoyed my video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.